I am RI, an 11th grade shipbuilding department student. I did not come to vocational high school willingly. Working in the construction of a ship or welding was not among my dreams.
It was a big problem for teachers that students were reluctant to come to school. Motivation, industry collaboration, and technology were required to provide vocational training to students.
We have so many students in vocational high schools whose talents have not been discovered. We just need to nurture the passion within these students. Let's guide them well. We must motivate our students for this. We require tools to provide them with proper vocational education.
How can we provide simulation-based training in the best way at our school? We researched. It turns out that this technology can attract the attention of students with the welding simulation made at Tubitak Marmara Technokent, which is located right across from us. And students can learn this job in a practical and inexpensive way.
When I first arrived at this school, my dreams felt disconnected from it. Yet, as time went on, I discovered that this school could help me achieve my dreams.
Reluctant vocational students are becoming skilled individuals by enjoying the process of creating and standing out. The fruits of the school-industry cooperation have already begun to show.